Hello and welcome to our English class. I am Mrs. Pagar Vidya from Pimpalgaon High School, Pimpalgaon, Baswant district, Nasik. Nowadays, all students are learning from their homes, so I am also busy making videos for you all. In this video, we are going to continue the remaining part of the lesson, Be Smart. So, let's get started. So now you have identified the specific areas that need to be improved. You have a way of measuring how much you have improved your setup, achievable goals and realistic goals. You know where you are in the path in reaching your goals. But one more thing that is equally important in this journey. Let's turn towards it. Time bound. Establish time parameters around each goal as it will help increase focus and accountability. To reduce weight, we know how to go about it. But without consistent time bound action, it never becomes a reality. It may be exercise, diet, and stress free thoughts. All these have to be practiced and implemented without hesitation, doubt, or indifference, but within a deadline. Look here. Without a time limit to your goals, it does not become a reality. It becomes very difficult. So you need to achieve your goals within a particular given time span. Deadline helps to increase focus and responsibility means accountability. If you don't set any deadline, the goal will never become a reality. Suppose if you want to lose weight, you know what you are going to do. You have an exercise and a diet plan ready. You have made achievable goals that in one month I will reduce 2 kgs and in 3 months I will reduce 6 kgs, like that. But if you don't stick to your time bound deadlines that I have to reduce 2 kgs in 1 month or whatever, then you won't actually do things according to the plan unless there is consistent time bound action. You will just keep planning and dreaming and all. Deadline will help you to achieve your goal. The goal will never become a reality if you don't set any deadline. So all those things have to be practiced and implemented, means carried out without hesitation, without a pause. Doubt or indifference, here indifference means lack of interest. Doubt or indifference, but within a deadline. म्हणजेच मनाची द्विधावस्था न होऊ देता, मनामध्ये शंका किंवा उदासीनता न बाळगता ठरवलेल्या मुदतीत काटेकोरपणे या सर्व गोष्टींचे पालन केले पाहिजे. नाउ टर्न ओव्हर टू नेक्स्ट पॅरेग्राफ. Visions, wishes, intentions and dreams are all valuable. They spark of imagination and courage and encourage us to define where we want to reach. In order to get there, however, we need to bring life images down to earth and plan to execute our strategies. The quality and quantity of energy we put forth directly impact the results. Life is something like a trumpet. If you don't put anything in, you can't get anything out. Look, visions, wishes, intentions and dreams are valuable. They help us to imagine and encourage. You should have that energy to achieve your goals. The quality and quantity of the energy you put in to achieve your goal will determine how successful you will be. We need to bring life images down to earth, means in reality, and need to carry out our plan into action, means to execute our strategies. म्हणजेच आपल्या मनातील प्रतिमा व्यावहारिक पातळीवर उतरवताना किंवा कृतीत उतरवता आल्या पाहिजेत आणि त्यानुसार आपल्याला आपली धोरणं आखता आली पाहिजे. Here writer says life is like a trumpet. It's a musical instrument. If you don't put anything If you don't push the air in, then the output, the melodious voice, won't come out. Similarly, life is like that. If you wish to achieve something, you must give time and put forth energy. You put forth every quality and quantity of your energy. Now turn over to next paragraph. Success is a walk in the dark, finding the right footing, precisely mastering the skills and getting to the next place all depend on how we approach and tackle the problem. The best way to get from where we are to where we want to be is to find the footing of our next step. When we take the next step, it should support and hold us without a crack. See, the best way to get from where we are right now to where we want to be is by achieving small goals step by step. Success is a walk in the dark. It all depends on how we approach and tackle the problems. And the SMART methodology is the good way to approach and tackle our problems and reach our goals. Now students, we will see the new words and phrases. Look here, parameters means measurable factors म्हणजे मापदंड. Accountability means responsibility, being answerable, जबाबदारी. Consistent means steady, acting in the same way over a time. म्हणजे आपल्याला त्याला सातत्यपूर्ण म्हणता येईल. Implement means to carry out, execute or put a plan into effect or to put into action म्हणजे प्रत्यक्ष कृतीत उतरविणे. Hesitation means the action of pausing, dvidhavastha, to be or not to be. Indifference, lack of interest, udasinta. Down to earth means real and practical, व्यवहारिक पातळीवर. Execute means to carry out, कृतीत उतरविणे किंवा अंमलात आणणे. Strategies means plan of action किंवा धोरणे म्हणता येईल त्याला. Trumpet is a brass musical instrument, रणशिंग. Precise, accurate, तंतोतंत. To tackle means here to face or to deal, सामोरे जाणे. Without a crack means firmly, न डगमगता. Students, please do subscribe, like and share my videos if you liked it. This would encourage me to make more such videos. I will be there with new lessons soon. Till then, goodbye.